Hey my loves, and welcome back to another full wig install. In this video I will be showing you how I get this beautiful jet black color and another flawless install. So if you want to see me slay this unit, stay tuned. So this is our Camilla unit, and she is 24 inches, 250% density. Yes, my girl is thick. 13 by 6 kinky curly unit. This is how we receive all our units from our manufacturer, and then we handle all of the customization to get them ready to wear when you receive them. So we're going right in with the BW2 powder. I love BW2 powder. This is what the company I normally use all the time. And then we are going to use the 40 volume developer. What we're really looking for is the consistency with this. You want it to be thick enough that it can sit on the knots, because we're going to bleach all the knots. But you also don't want it to seep through to the other side. So you want to take your time with this and get all that bleach right on the knots, and that's going to conceal all of the knots for you. Next thing we're going to go in with is Shimmer Lights. Shimmer Lights removes all the brassiness from the roots. So after you get finished dyeing, you normally are left with pretty brassy roots. This will remove that and make it look like pure scalp. So you want to always take that step with the Shimmer Lights after you get finished dyeing the knots. Next, we're going in with this hair dye. What I really love about it is it's ammonia free. So it really does a great job of dyeing the hair black without damaging the hair at all. It's no ammonia in this. It is a great box dye, and it's pretty mild on the hair, so I absolutely love this. One of the things that you'll check out is I put conditioner on the lace. So you'll see that white stuff. It's all conditioner that I place on the lace to protect it from the hair dye. Next, obviously, we're going to go in and rinse out all of the hair dye. Make sure that you're using cold water. I notice when I use cold water, it really does not bleed that black color onto everything. Y'all know when you use certain hair colors, it will end up being on your pillowcases, on everything else. So make sure to use cold water. And I filled this up with silicone mix. I love silicone mix. I don't know why people don't use it more often, but it is the best on human and synthetic hair. So I let this dry overnight, and we are going right into the application. So we are always going to wipe off our edges, y'all. Wipe those edges off, get all the oil, makeup, everything off the edges. And we're going in with Ghost Bond. Per usual, y'all know in every video I use Ghost Bond glue. I have not found anything that I love more than this. So that's why I continue to keep using it. You do want to make sure to let it dry down completely before you apply the wig. So as you can see, I am just going in and pressing that hairline into the glue. And this is a process, y'all. So you'll see as I keep going that we will literally just melt this wig right into the scalp. I'm going to shut up for a minute so you guys can at least just look. But make sure that as you're doing the cutting portion right now, as you can see, it's very jagged. Your hairline is jagged. It will never be straight. So please make sure to move those scissors back and forth against the hairline when you're doing it, because you do not want a straight hairline. It's going to make it look extremely unnatural. For real this time, I'm shutting up, y'all. Watch and learn. Watch this lace disappear into the hair. Open your eyes and see. Okay, guys, now you will see the difference between the side that I did not tweeze at all and then the side that I did tweeze. You see how much more natural this other side looks, and that's how it helps to just customize these edges every single time. And that's why it's good to put the wig on before you start doing the tweezing. Next, we're going in, obviously, with our edge tamer. It is my favorite one. It's through ORS. Amazing edge tamer. It does a really great job of laying down the baby hairs without lifting the glue underneath, which is key. But y'all can see this hairline is giving. I love it. We're next going in with this Cantu. I love when this hair is wet. And I just use a little bit like of a spray bottle of water, and then I add this Cantu right over the top of it, and it really makes the curls pop, and it is chef's kiss, y'all. I'm in love with this hair and the thickness of it. I'm so very happy. Now, just to top it off, which you don't have to do, but this is a great way, because y'all see I didn't go in with my even spray like I normally do. I just put a little bit of my powder on the part and then around the edge. Y'all, look at these edges. They look so natural. I love it. So, but anyway, you just run through this, really just touch up the edges just a little bit, but this will make it your skin tone, which, you know, is giving. And, you know, I'm going to love the camera for a little bit. I thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys next time. Love you guys. Bye.